There are several things that you can do to bring the scenery to your house: by build a large window facing the garden, by using open plan arrangement to your backyard, or by using some good courtyard design concept in the middle of your home. The last choice is only available when you have a big space and good gardening skill. However, the courtyard can bring unique scenery to your interior, especially when you have a mature tree in it. Just like the courtyard in Courtyard, a unique home in Mexico designed by Hernandez Silva Arquitectos. Completed in 2012, the Courtyard is a contemporary residence owned by family with good taste of nature. They wish to have an open and inviting home on their irregular-shaped terrain, a big challenge for the designer. However, they made it a wonderful home with closed facade to ensure the privacy and the completed open backside for the air circulation. It is full with several bend lines intersecting the rigid line, a trick to deal with the irregular shape of the terrain. Right in the middle of the living space, the designer make a courtyard design concept on it, giving fresh green scenery to it. The courtyard lies behind the living room, make it more life with the plants on it. There are several cycads planted as the low decoration, while right behind of it there is a big 7 meters tall tree touching the deck on the second floor. The stone tiles backdrop behind the tree gives more natural touch to the interior. Right under the soil, there are several hidden lamps that shoot the light to the branches, giving a dramatic atmosphere in the room. This also gives the shadow drops of branches on the ceiling, giving a unique pattern to it when the light is turned on. This courtyard shows us on how a little green touch inside of the home can change the superficial atmosphere in a home, giving fresh scenery to the interior. Take a look to the courtyard design concept below to see the details and find your inspiration from it.